presenting the 2006 Toyota Matrix. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include MT, engine immobilizer, AM/FM stereo, child safety locks, passenger airbag sensor, AC, front-wheel drive, and CD player. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.